quick trip through Europe now and a quick conversation about Allianz, right, which is Munich-based. Although it used to be based in Berlin, it moved there when West and East Europe split. It's really principally a reinsurer. It's a big financial aggregator of assets, but it is a market leader in health insurance in Europe, and it has a market capitalization of 57.88 billion euros. So I think that's about sort of 70 or thereabouts $billion. Price earnings ratio of only 8.91, dividend yield of 5.66. So quite a well-known company in Europe, and quite a well-known company as a reinsurer of other insurers.
Look, this is a massive reinsurer, but the numbers say everything here, quite frankly. Previous two companies, we've been talking about 20 plus PEs. This is an 8 PE. Life's tough for them at the moment. Their operating margins were down. They're losing a massive amount of money. Clients leaving them in their asset management business. They've had to restructure.
In the asset management business, they own PIMCO, which is the one where Bill Gross was before. It's had a few ups and downs. US-based.
Money's flowing out of there, although not as much as what was flowing out, but money is still nevertheless flowing out. They've also, look, they had a slightly better time in their pure risk business, their reassurance business, because there were fewer disasters and catastrophes. So they had a slightly better time there. But they had to restructure their whole product range at a much lower margin product range because they simply were not selling their old product. So virtually everything you look at here, it's actually very little good news, and that's why you're at a 5% dividend yield and an 8 PE ratio.
Exactly. It's a reflection of the fact the share price has come down and make those things look a little bit more attractive. So it doesn't look too bad, but you can see it sagged somewhat there from about 160, 170 euros a share down to about 130. Okay, we're running out of time, so avoid.
Avoid, even though it looks cheap.
And we know that there's a lot of uncertainty and perceived risk in Europe at the moment.
They're going through changes.
Yeah, okay, so we'll say not hot on that one.